Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge microphone not working on Windows 11, 10. First method is change privacy and security settings. Second method is change all sites permission settings. Third method is update Edge browser. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.